Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you why is your device so quiet. So, the first thing might be that you have muted your volume level here. As you can see, I have to click plus to increase the volume level in our phone. If your device is not quiet, it's quiet too, with doing this process, you have to go to your settings in your phone, Bluetooth, this info icon, and enable device volume sync. Then increase the volume level in your phone to the maximum and check if your speaker is loud. If it isn't loud, it's quiet, and you have to contact device support or do a hard reset. I recommend contacting with the device support. It's because I don't really know if the hard reset should help here. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.